Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about what stock we traded today and what are the profit me and my clients were able to book today. I'll be showing you with the profit proof and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us, and also I'll be showing you my live trade what I did on Zeal futures today, and also the call what I gave today was also the Zeal. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they're making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on a capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about today's trade. So today the call what I gave also was on Zeal, so the stock performed very well, and here is a few screenshot of my client with the profits. So here is the first screenshot of profit: 3015 rupees profit, 1104 rupees profit, 1750 rupees profit, and 2665 rupees profit. So these are the profit what my clients were able to book today in today's trade of Zeal. Okay, so guys, now let me show you my live trade what I did. So guys, doing a live intraday trading on Zeal futures, I just bought this around 149.70 as you guys can see. So it's still at 149.70. We'll see how this stock would perform. So trading on futures today on Zeal. So guys, as you guys can see, yes, my target is hit 151. Okay, so let me just show you my trades what I did. So firstly I bought it at 149.7. okay, so instead of typing 151, I mistakenly typed 141. Let me just show you that. So yeah, I typed 141, so it got completed at 149.2. so Then again I bought it at 149.1 and I sold it at 151 and I booked the profit. So as you guys can see, 2380 rupees is my profit, and previously I had like 800 rupees loss, but that's fine. So guys, overall I was able to make this profit today in Zeal. Okay, so the time taken for this trade was like again I bought it at 1041 at 149. So by 1121 the target was achieved and I was able to book this profit. So guys, yes, so that was a live trade what you saw, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us and I'll be guiding you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. Okay, and quickly let me show you the amount what I was required to trade in Zeal futures. So the broker what I used for today's trade was Asta Trade. So let me go to margin and check that. So if I know, let me type Zeal. So for Zeal future lot, I just needed 6,356 rupees to buy one lot. Okay, and the lot size was 1,700 as you guys know. So I just bought one lot and I made a profit of 2,300 as you guys saw. Okay, so if you guys wish to get more leverage and want to trade with Asta account, you can go in the link in the description below of this video. So click on that link and you can open your Asta account, which is an online process. Okay, so guys, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscribe. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.